Also this morning, new developments in the fight against rising consumer prices. The Federal Reserve deciding to hold interest rates at a 2-decade high because inflation is cooling more slowly than expected. So what does it mean for you and your wallet? NBC's senior business correspondent Christine Roman's here to break it all down. There was a moment when some people were hoping that the Fed would actually start to cut rates. That's not going to happen. They're holding steady right now. Is there any concern they could be raised again?
You know, I think it's still more likely that they cut is the next move, but it won't be in the near term here because the economy is strong and inflation is at 3.5%. The Fed wants to see 2%. So this inflation fight is not over yet.
So if they're going to, sorry, you did that so quickly and so efficiently. We were stunned into silence.
Wow, dazzling.
So what it means.
Say more, Christine. You have more time.
So what it means for the American family, if you're going to buy a home, if you're using the spring selling season to try to buy a home here, look, it means that mortgage rates are going to stay near 7.5%. Yeah. So that's keeping some people on the sidelines. If you have a house at a 3% mortgage, you don't want to sell your house at the moment. So there's just kind of this deep freeze in the housing market. But credit card interest rates, 21%, they're not coming down. So if you are borrowing money, very bad news to be carrying a balance on a credit card right now. Very, very expensive.
A lot of people are planning summer vacations, too, and they're thinking, what am I going to be doing here? How does this affect them?
You know, look, if you have money set aside for a home, you want to buy a home, but you can't get in the market, you need to be getting money for that money, right? So savings accounts are still paying a lot. You know, one of our colleagues this morning told me she got a certificate of deposit for 4.5%, and I was cheering downstairs because if you have money in your savings, for the first time in a long time, you're getting paid to have your money sitting in a bank account. Look, make sure that you have it in a brokerage account or a brokerage savings account or a certificate of deposit or a high-yielding savings account so that you're getting paid. Because on the one hand, high interest rates mean borrowing costs are high. But it also means if you're a boring saver like me, you're getting money for your savings account.
You're not boring at all.
Well done, Christine.
Thanks, Christine.
She can go long, she can go short. It's like an accordion.
Yeah,
all right, thank you, my dear.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.